Well, in the first news we've heard from Ken Roczen in over a month, he's posted this to his Instagram, which obviously looks like an outside or an outdoor track, looks like some motocross training, so that hints maybe he's going to be riding motocross. And with the new news that Tony Cairoli is actually going to be racing the first 2 rounds of motocross, that's his comment right there on the post, which who knows if that's just hey sure, that's cool, or I'll be seeing you there, little rock symbol. But with him having a couple months to train, get ready, get healthy again, the resurgence of Eli Tomac on his new ride with Yamaha, Dylan Ferrandis now being out for a little while, and his ride going to be, defending series champion with Yamaha. It's going to be either a really good season or really boring, depending on how good everyone is. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Do you think Roczen's going to be back and healthy and a competitor? Do you think Cairoli's going to add a lot to the series? Do you think Dylan Ferrandis and Tomac are going to be the head of the field? Whatever it is you want to say, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.